Sermon number 211. Greatness of Universe Creation. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. It is through the strength of Allah's greatness and His subtle power of innovation that He made solid dry earth out of the water of the fathomless, compact and dashing ocean. Then He made from it layers and separated them into 7 skies after they had been joined together. So, they became stationary at His command and stopped at the limit fixed by Him. He so made the earth that it is borne by deep blue, surrounded and suspended water, which is obedient to His command and has submitted to His awe while its flow has stopped due to fear of Him. He also created high hills, rocks of stones and lofty mountains. He put them in their positions and made them remain stationary. Their peaks rose into the air while their roots remained in the water. In this way He raised the mountains above the plains and fixed their foundations in the vast expanse wherever they stood. He made their peaks high and made their bodies lofty. He made them like pillars for the earth, and fixed them in it like pegs. Consequently, the earth became stationary, otherwise it might bend with its inhabitants, or sink inwards with its burden, or shift from its positions. Therefore, glorified is He who stopped it after the flowing of its waters and solidified it after the watery state of its sides. In this way He made it a cradle for His creatures and spread it for them in the form of a floor over the deep ocean, which is stationary and does not move and is fixed and does not flow. Severe winds move it here and there and clouds draw up water from it. Verily in this there is a lesson unto him who feareth Allah.